Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Aswa Chaudhary from Dr. Aswa YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about most important 20 MCQs of biology subject related to lysosomes. Now let's start. Which of the following organelle is called the suicidal bags of the cell? Cytoplasm, lysosomes, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Correct answer is lysosomes. The lysosomal membrane is rich in sterols, cardiolipin, sialic acid, all of the above. Correct answer is sialic acid. In which of the following cells lysosomes are absent? Animal cells, erythrocytes, hepatocytes, muscle cell. Correct answer is erythrocytes. What is the pH of a lysosome? Acidic, basic, neutral, depends on the cell type. Correct answer is acidic. Which of the following enzymes are used as a marker for the lysosomes? Phospholipase, acid phosphatase, pyruvate dehydrogenase, succinate dehydrogenase. Correct answer is acid phosphatase. Which of the following techniques are used in the isolation of liposomal fraction? Electrophoresis, ultracentrifugation, sucrose density gradient centrifugation, all of the above. Correct answer is sucrose density gradient centrifugation. Which of the following are the functions of lysosomes? Autolysis, autophagy, digestion, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following statements are true about the acidic pH of lysosomes? Presence of anabolic enzymes, deposition of waste materials, presence of hydrolytic enzymes, all of the above. Correct answer is presence of anabolic enzymes. Lysosomes are involved in digestion, intracellular digestion, extracellular digestion, both intracellular and extracellular digestion. Correct answer is both intracellular and extracellular digestion. Which of the following organelle is called the perinuclear dense bodies? Nucleolus, lysosomes, peroxisome, all of the above. Correct answer is lysosomes. Which of the following staining techniques are used to locate the lysosomes? Gamma stain, Bismarck stain, osmium tetroxide, Janus green staining. Correct answer is Gamma stain. Which of the following biomolecules are the components of lysosomes? Ribosomes and matrix, amino acid chain and transport RNA, phosphate esters and nucleases, glycoprotein and carbohydrates. Correct answer is phosphate esters and nucleases. Why are lysosomes considered the garbage trucks of a cell? Because they transport materials between two cell organelles, because they pump materials from outside to inside of a cell, because they remove all unwanted cellular materials, because they transport materials from one cell to another. Correct answer is because they remove all unwanted cellular materials. Which of the following organelles contains digestive enzymes that break down complex molecules? Lysosome, ribosome, Golgi body, mitochondria. Correct answer is lysosome. Which of the following cells contain the most active lysosome? Skin cells, brain cells, intestinal cells, white blood cells. Correct answer is white blood cells. Lysosomes are involved in secretion, respiration, photosynthesis, protein construction. Correct answer is secretion. Name 2 diseases caused by lysosome malfunction. Cancer, Alzheimer's, Batten disease, aspartyl-glucosaminuria. Correct answer is D. Lysosomes are often found at leukocytes, erythrocytes, blood platelets, cells in the liver. Correct answer is leukocytes. Lysosomes are membrane-bound vesicles that arise from the Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum. Correct answer is Golgi apparatus. How do lysosomes originate? From the cytoplasm, phospholipid bilayer, by budding off from the membrane of the trans-Golgi network, none of the above. Correct answer is by budding off from the membrane of the trans-Golgi network. Subscribe my channel for more important MCQs of biology. www.youtube.com/Dr. Asba. Thank you. Allah Hafiz and take care.